Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let us learn the division trick. Okay, we have three types of problems in this, so we will go step by step. So let us solve first type 1 problems. So whenever you get the question like this, 734 divided by 5, wherever you find divided by 5, wherever you are asked to divide any number by 5, you can use this trick and solve in seconds this answer. First step, what you have to do is you have to multiply by 2. Okay, the given number what they give you have to multiply this number by 2. Okay, the first step. So let us solve this. First step is whenever they give a number to divide with 5, what you have to do, friends? You have to multiply by 2. Okay, try to multiply this by 2. Don't divide, multiply. Okay, 2 4s is 8. Okay, I'll write. Then 2 3s is 6. 2 7s is 14. Isn't it easy, friends? Just multiply by 2. If they ask you to divide by 5, 734 divided by 5, if they give you, you can use this trick. Just multiply a number by 2. Okay, and write down. The next step you have to do a point after one number. Then you have to put a point after one number. Understood, friends? Isn't it easy? Yes. Now let us take one more example and I'll explain you. See, the same number, such a big number is there. That is 256, 33, 43 divided by 5. So if you do the normal division, it may take some time. So just remember this, multiply by 2 first. Okay. 2 3s is 6. 2 4s is 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. So 2 I will write and I will give the carry to the next number. Okay. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 is 11. Same way, give the carry to the next number. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. Understood? Now the next step is point after one number. Okay, you have to put a point after one number. Isn't it easy, friends? See, just remember the two steps. Multiply by 2 and then put a point after one number. Isn't it easy, friends? Okay, this was type 1. Now let us learn the type 2 problems. Okay, whenever they ask you to find out the division by 25, they give like this number and they ask you to divide by 25, then this trick is applicable. Okay, when they ask you for 25 divide by 25, just you have to multiply by 4. Okay, you have to remember, it's very easy. Just remember, multiply by 4. Okay, now multiply 4 5s are 20. Okay, so I'll write 0 here and 2 I will give the carry to the next number. Okay, friends, 4 5s are 20, 2 is a carry. Now next number, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 17 18. Okay, 8 I will give here and 1 take it as a carry to the next number. Okay, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. Okay, now 1 I'll give the carry to the next number. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1 will be 25. 5 and I will give the carry. Okay, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 5 6. Okay, so this will be your answer. So the next point you should do, point after two numbers. Okay, put a point after two numbers. Okay, friends, here for the divide by 5, you have to put a point after one number. For divide by 25, you have to put a point after two numbers. Isn't it easy, friends? See, just you can solve in a single line. Okay, now one more sum we will do. That is, the given number is 13,487 divided by 25. See, if you don't know division also, you can solve this problem, okay, by just multiplying 4, okay. 4 sevens are 28. That is, I'll write here 8 and 2 is the carry to the next number, okay. Then next, 4 8s are 32, 33, 34. 4 I'll write here and 3 is the carry. 4 4s are 16, 17, 18 and 19. Okay friends. Now 4 3s are 12 plus 1 is 13. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, the next step is point after two numbers, right? 1 and 2. Isn't it easy, friends? Even if you don't know the division also, you can just do this multiplication and get your answer. Okay friends, just multiply by 4 and the next point is put a point after two numbers. Isn't it easy? Yes. Now if you get a bigger number like this, okay, 40, if you get the number like this, what you are going to do? Divided by 125. 125 is such a big number, okay. Here also just multiply by 8 and put a point after three numbers. Isn't it easy, friends? We will do it, okay. Now put a multiply by 8. Okay, 4 8s are 32.